Here we've got Realme 5 Pro, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate your Play Store and open it. In my case it's on the home screen, then slide right and click on My Apps and Games. Here under Updates you will find all applications that can be updated. Here you've got them, and you can either update one particular application that you would like to update, and it can be, for example, Google Drive. Just click here and then you can detect the progress over here. Just observe it if you want to. At first the latest version will be downloaded and then installed, but also meanwhile you can use your device in a normal way, so you can search the browser, play some game, do whatever you want to actually. So just use your phone in a normal way, and then it will be done in the background. You can then open the Play Store and check if it has been updated, and as you can see, now Google Drive is under recently updated. But also we can update all applications at once with just one click. To do it, just click on Update All, and it will be done automatically. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can update applications in your Realme 5 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.